You know what's always more expensive than you remember? Fall, Thanksgiving, the holidays. I mean, I personally spend more in December than any other month in the year. So if you're thinking, I could really use some extra cash right now, you're not wrong and you're not alone. So today I'm going to share how to bring in some extra income before the holidays, hopefully without burning out or giving up your weekends. Hey, I'm Britt Williams-Baker, co-founder of Dow Janes. If you're new here, welcome. We help women take control of their money, build wealth, and feel confident doing it. And if you've been with us for a while, thank you for being part of this community, truly. So let's talk about side income, because this time of year, expenses go way up. Between school stuff, meals, travel, and gifts, your budget might look nothing like it did in the summer. And suddenly you're wondering, can I bring in more money without totally burning out? Yes, you can. But the key is finding a side hustle that fits you, your time, your energy, and your skills. And if you're wondering why we're talking about this so early, it's because seasonal and gig jobs, they're already ramping up, actually months before the holiday rush even hits. Retailers, delivery companies, even warehouse roles, many started hiring in September last year. So this isn't just noise, it's a signal. If you want to earn extra income, now is the time to get ahead of it. Because even a small stream of income started early can help cover holiday costs without falling back on credit cards or your savings in December. So let's break down 3 smart filters to help you choose a side hustle that's worth your time and still feels aligned. All right, filter 1 is time and flexibility. Ask yourself honestly, how many hours can I realistically work each week? If your answer is whenever I can, then burnout is coming, and we don't want that for you. So how can you do this? Pull up your calendar and circle the actual blocks of time that you could work without sacrificing rest or your sanity. And then look for opportunities that fit within those windows, not the other way around. Bonus points for flexible gigs that you can do on your own time. Filter 2, skills and comfort zone. So start with what you already love doing. Is it writing, babysitting, graphic design, baking, pet care, tutoring? The fastest path to income is almost always through skills that you already have. So make a list of 3 skills or hobbies that you enjoy, and then ask, how could someone pay me for this? And if you're still figuring that out, we've got a blog post with 15 smart and simple ways to earn extra income. I'll link to it below. Filter 3, payout versus burnout. Not every side hustle is worth it. So weigh what you'll earn against how much time, stress, and money it takes to get going. For each idea that you have, jot down the potential earnings, the time required, and any upfront costs or stress factors involved. Then look for low-cost, high-value options that align with your priorities, not necessarily just what pays the most fast. Our co-founder Laurie-Anne breaks this down in her video on multiple income streams. It's a must-watch if you're in the exploring ideas phase. And if you're wondering, will these small steps really make a difference? Let me show what it looks like in real life. This is one of our favorite stories from the Dow Janes community. Leslie shared, I am much more mindful and present with my financial situation. My decisions are strategic, and I'm more serious about turning my life around. I get more rest knowing that I'm making small moves that will have positive impacts for the rest of my life. That's the shift that we live for, because this isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind. And at the end of the day, earning extra income gives you options. Options to give more, options to save or invest, or options to rest without guilt. So every small step that you take today is planting a seed for a calmer, more intentional, less stressful season ahead. So quick recap if you're looking for a side hustle. Audit your time and block off realistic work windows. List your top 3 skills or hobbies and find ways to get paid for them. And then compare payout versus burnout. Don't just take the highest paying thing, take what works for you. And then start exploring now rather than later. If you're ready to make extra income work within a financial system that reflects your values, then check out our free training on the aligned money method. The link is in the description. We'll show you how to build a system that supports your life rather than just covering the bills. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss next week's video. And if this helped you, give it a like. It really supports the channel. Again, I'm Britt, and I'll see you next time.